Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm gonna show you our routine cleaning the litter box. Okay, let's check it out. So we have 3 litter box here. Actually we have 4 before we have 4 box, but we remove 1 because we think 3 is enough, because every day we're gonna clean like 2 times or maximum 3 times. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna start with sprinkle this is soda bicarbonate. I mixed with some essential oils. Smells very good and it's safe for the cats too. Okay. We are using this kind of litter because our cat used to this. Okay. For our cats, because they're used to with this litter, so we just continue on using this kind of this type of litter. This is the urine. We like this litter because it's very clumpy, but the bad thing about this one is it's kind of a bit dusty. See that? Huge poops. You guys must be surprised that I'm not using any mask or what, because I'm used to it. But frankly, honestly speaking, their poops is not very bad. That very bad smell. It depends on the food that they took every day. They are taking. Okay. If you're giving some kind of raw food, meats, so the poops will have strong smell. Our cats eating biscuit kibbles from Royal Canin, so their poops is not very strong smell. Okay, enjoy. I finish. Once I'm finished, put aside. I'm seeing the level is a bit. I have to add more. So here is. See, once I clean, once I clean, they straight away go inside. Wants to check out, checking, and maybe wants to try. See, very small. See, nampak? Very little. Purposely have to try the new litter, clean one. Okay. Okay, Simba. So once finished, don't forget to wash your hands. For our house, because we have tiny house, so we have 11 cats and 3 litter box is quite big for us. So to maintain the cleanliness of the house, we need to have a filter, good filter. So we having one filter here, okay, and another one here, Philips. This is new. We got it offer. You see the A is auto. It's auto detect the environment. So because I'm cleaning just now, and the dust and everything detect the air, so it become red color. So what I usually do is I will change to turbo and for a while. Okay guys, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoy how we clean a little. So maybe next video we're gonna show you how we clean our litter box. Okay, that one we usually do like once every 2 weeks like that. So please like, share, subscribe and share our YouTube channel. Any comments, please write down below. Bye bye.